Welcome to Lucky English for Beginners. Whether you are commuting to school, heading to the office, or exploring the city, the bus stop is a place where you will frequently use English. Here are 300 practice sentences focused on daily bus travel to help you communicate clearly and confidently while waiting for or riding the bus. Waiting for the bus. I am heading to the bus stop right now. Is this the correct stop for the city centre? How many minutes until the next bus arrives? I am checking the bus schedule on my phone. The bus is running a little bit late today. Does this bus route go through the main station? I am waiting for the number 42 bus. There are many people waiting at the bus stop. I hope the bus is not too crowded today. It is a nice day to wait outside here. I see the bus coming down the street. Please stand back while the bus is approaching. I am keeping my bus pass ready in my hand. Is the fare the same if I pay with cash? I enjoy watching the city pass by while waiting. Boarding and paying. Good morning, does this bus stop at the university? How much is the fare for a single trip? I am tapping my travel card on the reader. Please move toward the back of the bus, please. I am looking for an empty seat near the window. Excuse me, is this seat taken by anyone? I prefer sitting at the front of the bus. The bus is filling up very quickly this morning. I am holding onto the rail for my safety. Please watch your step as you board the bus. I am showing my student ID for a discount. The driver is closing the doors for departure. I always say thank you to the bus driver. There are many passengers standing in the aisle today. The bus ride is very smooth and comfortable today. Riding and asking for stops. Could you please tell me when we reach the library? I need to get off at the next stop, please. I am pressing the stop button before my station. Is this the stop for the Central Hospital? The next stop is the main railway station. I am following the route on the digital map. How many more stops until we reach the market? Excuse me, is this bus going the right way? I am keeping an eye on the street names. The bus driver announced the name of the stop. We are passing by the beautiful city park now. I am enjoying the view from the window seat. It is getting very busy as we enter downtown. I am preparing to exit at the next intersection. Thank you for the ride, have a great day. Practical grammar and daily practice. I take the bus to school every morning. The bus stop is near my house today. I check the time before leaving my home. The bus driver is very friendly and kind. I read a book while riding the bus. We arrive at the destination on time today. The bus is a very affordable way to travel. I enjoy the rhythm of the bus journey. My friend meets me at the bus stop. I use my bus pass every single day. The bus is painted in a bright color. We travel through the busy city streets together. I like to sit and watch the traffic. The bus makes several stops along the way. I feel relaxed while riding to my work. The city looks different from the bus window. I am always prepared with my exact change. The bus ride takes about 20 minutes total. I appreciate the reliable public transport system here. I make sure to have my phone charged. The morning commute is quite peaceful for me. We pass many interesting buildings on the way. The bus is a great way to save money. I am planning my day while on the bus. I enjoy meeting people at the busy stop. The driver knows the best way to drive. I am happy to avoid the heavy traffic. We stop at the traffic lights for a moment. I see many students waiting for the bus. The bus is a part of my daily life. I have a regular seat that I prefer. The bus windows are clean and very clear. I listen to music to pass the time. The bus is essential for my daily routine. I am always thankful for the bus service. The city is full of life at midday. I see the bus coming from far away. I am ready to start my busy day. The bus ride is a time to think. I enjoy the comfort of the bus seat. We arrive safely at our chosen location now. The bus service runs very frequently all day. I like the convenience of the local bus. I am grateful for the public transport network. Every bus ride is a simple daily adventure. The driver helps passengers with their heavy bags. I see the city landmarks pass by quickly. The bus stops to pick up more people. I am focused on my destination for today. Public transport is a very smart city choice. I enjoy the walk to the bus stop. The morning sun makes the bus feel warm. I see many familiar faces at the stop. The bus keeps us connected in the city. I love the ease of using the bus. The traffic is moving smoothly on this road. I check the bus tracker for live updates. We travel past the busy shopping centre daily. The bus is very helpful for my commute. I enjoy seeing the city wake up early. The driver is professional and drives very safely. I am sitting next to a very friendly passenger. The bus is clean and very well maintained. I value the service of the local bus. Every stop is a chance to meet someone. I am prepared for the cool morning air. The bus journey is very quick and efficient. I see the school bus passing us by. We navigate through the streets with great ease. I like the reliability of the bus schedule. The bus stop is a hub of activity. I am happy to ride the bus today. The city view is lovely from the bus. I am focused on my work ahead now. Public transport is a key to city life. The bus driver opens the door for us. I enjoy the short ride to the park. The bus is a very useful daily tool. I see people rushing to catch the bus. The morning air is crisp and very fresh. I am sitting comfortably in my assigned seat. The bus ride helps me organize my thoughts. I appreciate the driver's hard work every day. We pass by the library and the post office. The bus is the heart of our transit. I am always happy to catch the bus. The city streets are full of colorful life. I see the bus arriving at the station. We travel together in the big city bus. I enjoy the comfort of the morning ride. The bus service is quite excellent in town. I am planning my lunch break while riding. The bus driver waves at the other drivers. I am grateful for the safe bus ride. We reach the center in record time today. The bus stop is near the cozy cafe. I see the sun shining on the windows. The bus ride is a very pleasant routine. I am ready to start my work day. Public transport is vital for the whole city. I enjoy the quiet of the empty bus. The driver handles the bus with great care. I am observing the busy life outside now. The bus is a great way to travel. I am always thankful for the bus ride. The bus stop is well lit at night. I am waiting for the night bus home. The city lights look beautiful from the window. I enjoy the calm atmosphere on the bus. The driver gives clear directions to passengers. We travel home after a long day's work. The bus ride is a perfect time to relax. I am happy to reach my home safely. Public transport is a very eco-friendly choice. I see the moon shining above the bus. The bus driver checks the mirrors very often. I am enjoying the peace of the ride. The bus stops at the busy central hub. I am ready to rest after the trip. The bus is a great community service today. I see the busy street life passing by. The morning bus is full of eager people. I enjoy the view of the tall buildings. The driver makes the journey feel very safe. I am glad to have a reliable bus. The bus stop has a bench for waiting. I am reading a magazine on the bus. The city is alive with many interesting sounds. The bus ride helps me prepare for work. Public transport is very important for all of us. I enjoy the friendly nod from the driver. The bus is quite warm on a cold day. I am observing the changing city landscape now. The bus is a very important daily link. I am happy to reach the stop on time. The bus stop is near the tall office. I see the bus driver wearing a uniform. We enjoy the smooth ride through the center. The bus journey is a part of my day. I am grateful for the city transport team. The bus is clean and very bright today. I enjoy watching the world go by now. The driver is very skilled at his job. I am focused on my goals for today. Public transport makes life much easier for all. The bus stop is a common meeting place. I am checking the map for my route. The city is full of many different people. The bus ride is calm and very quiet. I am thankful for the easy bus commute. The driver ensures we are safe at all. I enjoy the fresh morning air outside now. The bus is a reliable way to travel. I am ready to start my new project. Every bus ride is a part of life. The bus stop is marked by a clear sign. I am looking at the route map again. The city looks lovely in the golden sun. The bus ride is quite smooth and fast. I am thankful for the professional bus staff. The driver greets everyone who boards the bus. I enjoy the quiet time during my ride. The bus is a very cost-effective travel choice. I am prepared for the busy day ahead. Public transport is a very useful city tool. The bus stop is very close to home. I am tracking our progress on the map. The city streets are wide and very clean. The bus ride is a great daily habit. I am grateful for the city's bus routes. The driver follows all the road rules well. I enjoy the comfort of the bus chair. The bus is a very modern and clean. I am focused on the day's tasks today. Public transport is a vital part of growth. The bus stop has a roof for rain. I am waiting for the number 10 bus. The city is full of many tall buildings. The bus ride is very short and quick. I am thankful for the bus ride today. The driver is very patient with all passengers. I enjoy the quiet time on the bus. The bus is a very steady way home. I am ready to enjoy my evening now. Public transport is a must for the city. The bus stop is located on the corner. I am checking the schedule one more time. The city is a vibrant place to be. The bus ride is quite peaceful and calm. I am grateful for the reliable bus service. The driver keeps the bus on the time. I enjoy the view from the high seat. The bus is a very safe city option. I am ready to start my learning today. Public transport is a key to urban life. The bus stop is easy to see today. I am looking for my bus route map. The city is full of new things daily. The bus ride is a part of joy. I am thankful for the easy bus access. The driver is very helpful to the people. I enjoy the quiet ride to the office. The bus is a very steady daily partner. I am ready to do my best work. Public transport is a great daily choice. The bus stop is where I meet friends. I am checking the bus arrival time often. The city is a bustling center of life. The bus ride is a very smooth experience. I am grateful for the daily bus service. The driver makes the commute feel quite easy. I enjoy the time to think while riding. The bus is a very helpful city link. I am ready to start my journey now. Public transport is a very smart city move. The bus stop has many friendly faces there. I am reading the route number out loud. The city is a place of endless growth. The bus ride is a very reliable part. I am thankful for the daily ride today. The driver is very careful with the bus. I enjoy the view of the busy streets. The bus is a very safe daily choice. I am ready to succeed in my work. Public transport is a vital city daily path. The bus stop is where my day starts. I am watching the bus approach the stop. The city is full of light and life. The bus ride is a very simple joy. I am grateful for the local bus team. The driver is very kind to the elderly. I enjoy the quiet morning bus ride here. The bus is a very important daily link. I am ready to do my work well. Public transport is a very good daily plan. The bus stop is close to the park. I am reading the digital display for news. The city is a place of big opportunity. The bus ride is a very steady pace. I am thankful for the nice bus service. The driver ensures we reach our stop safely. I enjoy the comfort of the bus journey. The bus is a very helpful city guide. I am ready to make my day bright. Public transport is a very clever daily step. The bus stop is very busy this evening. I am checking the bus route map again. The city is a place of constant motion. The bus ride is a very fast commute. I am grateful for the daily travel support. The driver is professional in all his work. I enjoy the time for my quiet thoughts. The bus is a very smart city friend. I am ready to relax at home now. Public transport is a very good way forward.